All the little green buds on the stem are really aphids feeding on the plant's sap. These ants have a particular interest in the aphids because they are very fond of the tiny sweet droplets that they exude. There, you can see 2 droplets forming on the bottom. And now in slow motion, we'll see the ant drinking one of them. And here we have something even more impressive. Another insect, bigger than the ant. You've recognized it, a ladybug, or a ladybird beetle, who also appreciates aphids, but not just for their sweet droplets, for the whole insect. It's their favorite dish, and they can eat up to 50 a day. The ants, of course, don't particularly like the idea of the ladybirds destroying their sweet drink dispensers, so they do everything they can to stop them and drive them off. But the really serious aphid hunter is beyond a doubt the ladybug larva, who can devour close to 200 of them a day. On the other hand, the ladybug nymph, which is the stage between the larva and the adult ladybug, doesn't eat anything at all. It's the only time of their life when the ladybugs go on a diet. Despite their differences, aphids, ants, and ladybugs all have 6 jointed limbs, so they are insects. The ladybug has 2 membranous folding wings that are protected by 2 rigid wing covers, the elytra, characteristic of the coleoptera. As for the tiny holes in these cabbage leaves, they are the work of the flea beetle. Tiny but voracious, capable of gobbling up a row of seedlings. Thanks to their powerful legs, the adults can make jumps of 1 meter high. Luckily, the gardener can count on the seed corn beetle. It may not fly, but can move quickly to capture caterpillars, larvae, or slugs. But not that one. The answer's still no. In spite of their differing diets, all beetles have a grinding mouth apparatus. They are found in all environments. In the garden, the gold bug is often found on rose bushes. It grazes on the stamen. Its larva feeds on decomposing matter. It's sometimes called a white worm, but with its 3 pairs of legs and its jaws, it has nothing to do with a worm. The tiny bark beetle will quickly colonize any tree blown down by storms. They lay their eggs under the bark, and their larvae burrow tunnels in the wood. The dung beetle is detritivorous and has a marked liking for mushrooms. The diving beetle is aquatic. It's a voracious predator. Tadpoles had better stay out of its way, or else. Certain beetles do a lot of damage to food stocks. Like here in this wheat silo, where weevil larvae have eaten the grains from the inside and left the hull. female is Hercules beetle, an inhabitant of the Guadalupean forest, 17.5 centimeters long with mandibles that can cut a rival in two during the mating combats. 300,000 species have been cataloged throughout the world, which makes beetles the largest group of the animal kingdom. But there are still many yet to be discovered,